It's Tiki the Elephant here to play. In her pink sweater she's slaying the day. Big dreams, big laughs, she's got it all. Subscribe and join the jungle call.
Tiki the Elephant.
Tiki and her friends are playing in the jungle. They're jumping, bouncing, and laughing under the sunny sky. What a fun day.
Let's see who can bounce the highest.
Oh no! Zara the monkey slipped on a leaf and got a little scrape on her knee. It's okay, Zara. Tiki is right here to help.
Don't worry, Zara, I'll get help.
Tiki raises her trunk and calls for Elder Mako, the wisest turtle in the jungle. He always knows just what to do.
Elder Mako, we need your help.
I'm on my way, little ones.
Elder Mako opens his special first aid book and teaches the jungle friends what to do when someone gets hurt.
First we stop, then we clean the scrape. Next we bandage it, and don't forget, we always give a little comfort.
Tiki gently puts a bandage on Zara's knee. It's shaped like a jungle leaf.
There you go, Zara. All better now.
Thank you, Tiki. You're the best.
This is a jungle first aid kit. It has bandages, wipes, and even a soft toy to make friends feel better. Isn't that cool?
It's always good to be prepared and be kind.
Now that everyone is safe and smiling, it's time for a big jungle hug. Tiki and her friends learned something very special today.
We learned how to help when someone gets hurt. With kindness and care.
Hooray
for Jungle First Aid! Hooray for Jungle First Aid!
Hooray for Jungle First Aid! Hooray for Jungle First Aid!
Sing, dance, and explore with me every week. Tap subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a fun adventure.